Together, we can make it happen.
It doesn't matter what your background is, where you've come from, what you look like. Every single woman has the potential to make it happen.
We often do not hear the last, the lost, the least.
I believe that the mission field can be right there at your own doorstep.
We ate together, we worked together, we dug ditches together.
Mission is just reaching out to others, transforming lives.
Make it happen. Hazlo posible.
Become leaders in your community and be a proactive person for your family and yourself.
Together, we will make it happen.
I think being in mission with someone is to have a relationship with them and understand their struggles, where they are in life, and also celebrate their gifts.
Together, we can make it happen.
We make it happen.
I'm willing to take the challenges and do the work and make it happen.
우리가 함께하면 할 수 있습니다.
We're going to go out to various sites throughout the city. We're going to serve. We're going to show what it means to be a United Methodist woman. We're going to be gardening, working with kids, putting together birthing kits.
And we didn't tell them, this is what we're going to do. We said, what can we do to help you?
Ensemble, nunca va festa.
Sí se puede. Hazlo.
What do we want? Justice! When do we want it? Now! What do we want? Justice! When do we want it? Now!
People of faith must stand up and speak out.
Ai pe que malava.
Que omaye kakai, que kalaisi.
We can make it happen.
You can make it happen.
Join us in Louisville, Kentucky, as we strive to turn faith, hope, and love into action on behalf of women, children, and youth.